Hi besties, today let's prepare beans stew. Okay, so first of all we are going to soak our beans overnight because it helps it cook faster and evenly and also bring out some gas. Before we dive into the video, I will say thank you to my subscribers and my returnees. So in a hot oil, I'll go ahead and add my cured fish, let it fry for like a minute, then I will introduce my chopped onions. Okay, plenty like that. Okay, so I'll let it also fry for like a minute or two, then I'll go ahead and add my onion mixture. Okay, it includes tomatoes, onions and pepper. Then I'll go in and add my garlic cubes. Okay, and I'll let it melt, let it be on the stove and simmer for like 3 minutes, and then I will introduce my my proteins. Okay, so this is salmon and tuna. Okay, it means mackerel and tuna. In Ghana we call it salmon, I don't know why. So I will let it cook for about 6 or 5 minutes. Okay, I will let it cook very well. Then I will add my seasoning cube or my shrimp cube, some salt to taste. Okay, then go ahead and add your favorite spice of your choice, and after that add your beans. Okay, as for your beans, you can cook it anyhow you want to. You can make it too soft, it depends on how you want it. That's how I want mine. Guys, guess what, I paired this with some rice and ripe plantains. Okay, so it's very easy, so delicious and simple. In your bean stew, you don't really need much spices for this recipe, not at all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share for more interesting and amazing videos. See you in my next video. My name is Dr. Rosie. Bye.
Rosie's Kitchen, Ediani Bae, Dr. Rosie's Kitchen, Ediani Bankoa, Rosie's Kitchen, Ediani Bae, Dr. Rosie's Kitchen, Ediani Bankoa, Rosie's Kitchen, Ediani